Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how we can download Python. So I've installed it, so that's why setting it to uninstall. So let it uninstall until I will show you how to install. So you could search Python, and as you can watch it over here, here's the official website of it, www.python.org. So first of all, you would see the download the latest version for Windows, so you can install it. And if you are for on any other computer, so you can also install by clicking on this tab, these ones. And if you need the previous versions, so you can also install them. As you can watch, that Python gives you version till 2001. We had them. Yeah, so this is the ultra releases. So I want the latest version. So you would click this button and it would start downloading, but I have already downloaded it, so I won't. So let me run it now. I hope. So first of all, it would say install Python 3.1 64-bit. So select install now or customize installation. So this would it is asking it should install the Python documentation files. I don't need it. Then pip, which can download, so you can use it to download other packages like libraries in Python. So I need for all users Python test suite. I need it, and I need all this. So let me go. After that, as you can watch, I'm installing it for all users. Create add Python to environment variables. So I don't need these things, and this is the installation. So I would install it. So it's going to be installed. And if you have mistakenly make any error in the installation, so Python also gives you an option for repairing it. So let me also show you how to do that. So you would think that you need to uninstall it and then install again with changing the settings, but it's not the case. So if this is downloaded, just for it for a second. I don't know what's taking too much time. It's downloading the library. Just it's remaining just I think it's just 5% left. Yeah, so As you can watch, it's saying disable path length limit. Okay, so now you can close it. After that, if we run it again, this file. So as you can watch, it would say modify setup. You add or remove individual features. So it's ensure all current, or you could uninstall it just by running it. Clicking again on this. So oops, okay, thanks. It doesn't help. Yeah. So now I don't need to do anything. So let me show you. I can change these settings and also these settings again. So I've done it, so I won't change. Okay, so this is all for today. Bye.